Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix Rust connection attempt failed. So there are some ways that you can actually fix it. So first up, you gotta try this. You literally just have to restart everything. Close Rust completely, restart your Steam, and then restart your PC, or even reboot your router or Wi-Fi. And what you can after do is just verify Rust game files. Just in the Steam, just go to its properties, installed files, and then verify the integrity of the game. I don't have the game, so I cannot verify it, but just simply verify the game. So it's gonna fix the missing or corrupted files. Check if the server is down. Sometimes the server itself is offline or full. Try joining from a different server, refresh the server list, or wait for a few minutes and then reconnect. And what else you can try is allow Rust to firewall. If your Windows security isn't allowing it, just simply allow Rust through it. And you can also try disabling your VPN or proxy. Rust servers often reject VPN connections, so turn off all the VPNs, proxy apps, and exit lab, whatever you are running. Just simply turn that off. And then if it's not working, just simply reinstall the Rust. First uninstall it and then delete leftover Rust folders and then reinstall from Steam. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can fix this issue. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.